Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Juliet. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make chicken fried rice. These are the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe, and I also list them in the description box below. I would like to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. You guys keep this channel going and I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. And if you're here for the first time, you are welcome, and I do hope you enjoy this video. And please subscribe to my channel so you keep getting all the lovely videos that I post every week. So I'll be using chicken thighs for this fried rice recipe, and that's because chicken thighs are juicier and they're more tender, and these chicken thighs have been skinned and deboned, and I've already cleaned them as well. So I'm going to go ahead to chop up all the other ingredients. So that's the spring onions, the garlic and the onions. So I'm going to cut the chicken into long strips, and these are going to be chunky long strips anyway. I like to have a good bite of chicken with every mouthful of rice, but you can cut this into smaller strips if you prefer, but this is the size I like my chicken thighs. So I'm transferring this into a bowl, and I'm going to season with bouillon stock powder, garlic powder and some soy sauce. And because I'm adding soy sauce, I will not be adding salt because soy sauce is salty already. So I'll mix this together until it is well combined, and I will cover it and set it aside until it's ready for frying. So I'm going to start off with the rice now. I've got small amount of oil in a pan, and I'm going to add some of the onions I chopped up earlier, and I'll be adding curry powder. So I'll fry this for about a minute, and then I'll add the rice. So the rice I'll be using is Basmati rice. I've already washed the rice so it's nice and clean. So I'm going to mix in the rice, and then I'm going to add chicken stock liquid and leave it to cook. So the rice is cooked nicely and is looking so fluffy. So your rice shouldn't be mushy, it shouldn't be sticky. It has to be fluffy for you to get a good fried rice. So I'm going to start frying the chicken strips now. So I'll be frying this just to firm it up and to maintain the shape, so it shouldn't fry for long because we need it to be tender, to maintain that tenderness and that juiciness in the fried rice. So don't fry your chicken to be dry. So these are ready now. I'm going to remove it and set it aside, and I'll keep frying it in batches until I fry all the chicken strips. So I've got the onions going in. The remaining onions that I chopped up earlier is going into the oil, and I'm going to add garlic, the chopped garlic as well. So I'll fry this for about a minute before adding the mixed vegetables. So I'll fry this with the mixed vegetables for another minute, and then we'll be adding the rice. So I've just added a little bouillon stock powder just to flavor the mixed vegetables, because the rice and the chicken, they're already seasoned. I don't want to over season this fried rice, so just a little, and make sure you taste it before adding more. So the rice is going in now, and I'm going to continue mixing, and I'll add the rest of the rice. You can see it's already looking very colorful, so appetizing. So I'll mix this together and leave it to cook while mixing at intervals. So this will be for about 5 minutes, because the rice still has a little bit of bite to it. And I've just added the fried chicken strips. And then I'm mixing the spring onions just for 30 seconds. I'll just mix this in for 30 seconds. It doesn't really need to cook. And the flavor in here is just so indescribable. This is so nice, looking so colorful. And this fried rice is ready. And you can see the outcome still looking very fluffy. And that's our fried rice, looking so appetizing and so delicious. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you keep getting my videos when I post them. I'll see you next time. Bye.